Hello everybody, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to share with you a piece of craft which I'm hoping will make your surroundings and your mood really bright. So shall we start? Let me first tell you what you need to make this craft. Okay. First of all, you need 5 sheets of colored A4 paper. Secondly, you need 2 pieces of string, approximately about half a meter long. And then you need these electric lights. Now these lights, you get them anywhere nowadays. These are flickering lights. If you see, the lights will flicker. These are just about 20 to 25 rupees. You need at least 3 of these lights. 2 or 3 of these lights would be ideal. And then you need some Fevicol, a scale, a pencil, some scissors. Okay, these are the basic things that you need to do this craft. This colored A4 paper, you need 5 sheets. Let me just take one sheet first. Okay, now the main thing that your child will do is he has to color this paper. You can ask him to do whatever he likes best. He can either just do random painting with a brush, or he can do spray painting, he can do string art, or even leaf painting, or even the simple fingerprint painting. Whatever you want, you please ask your child to decorate one side of the paper. Okay, with whatever is his favorite method of painting. Preferably, I think you should use acrylic colors, because acrylic colors will really look bright. And also use some bright colors, oranges and pinks, a little gold and silver. See, now my son has done, he has done this kind of a painting. He's done this. He's used this rust and blues and greens and a little silver. And so this is, he just like random strokes of brush. He has done this. So I'm going to use this first. Okay.
3, 4, that's the eye,
Okay. So take the A4 paper and you have to make a square of it. So you fold it like this. Okay. So you fold it like this and you have to make a square. Make it square. So once you've done this, you need to cut out this piece. You could either use a blade or you could use scissors, whichever you're comfortable with. And you just, if you're comfortable using scissors, please use scissors. I'm comfortable with this blade, so I'm using this. Okay, you keep this piece separately. Now you have a square piece of paper. So when you made it square, there is a line that you have put here, no? So you can see this line. So what you have to do is, you have to fold this paper such that the edges will meet with the line. Okay, both the edges, they have to meet with the line such that one edge should slightly overlap the other edge. You have to make it such that, see, one edge should slightly overlap the other edge. Okay, and then you put some Fevicol. Okay, you just apply some Fevicol. Along the lower edge, and you stick it. Okay, so you have to stick it. Make sure it doesn't stick to the underside. So you can use this paper which you cut out, keep it inside. Okay, and you just stick it, and you can just make sure that it is not stuck to the under part. So you will get a shape like this. Okay, so now this is the basic thing. You have to prepare 5 of this. So you just prepare 5 of them. Keep all 5 together. You take the scale and see along this edge where you have stuck, you just make a point which is about 1.5 centimeters, and you have to draw a line from the edge. It has to come to this point, Okay, and from the other edge to the point. So you just see, you draw a line like this, and here all 5 together. You can do it all 5 together, or you can do it one at a time. But if you do it all 5 together, they'll all come a little symmetrical, so that will be nice. They'll all be equal. So just see, you will get a shape like this, a triangle like this. So you will have 5 of this. Next, what you have to do is you have to create small holes in the side for the light to come through. So what you can do is, either separately or all together, you can just cut out like this. You can just make some cutouts. See, a long cutout in the bottom, and then a triangle, and then a semicircle. So you have to do it like this. See, can you see that? There is a cutout here. So you have to make a cutout like this. You have to do it on both sides. See, you will see the light will come through. You see this? Now we had already done 5 like this. My son had made these stars, and he had stuck the star. Very good.
ఇది పోతుమా
More. Press. Press.
ఇది పోతుమా
More.
ఇది పోతుమా
Keep it on the dot. Very good. Touch. Keep it on the dot. Very good. Touch. Keep it on the dot. Touch. Just keep all together and just make a small nick on one side and a small nick on the other side. See, just take one. Okay, take one. Just make a cut of about a small cut like the nick which you have done. Just make a small cut. Okay, and then you have to fold this with the cut. You just have to make a fold on one side. See, you have to make a fold on one side. See, just cut a little bit and you make a fold on one side. So one side will be folded, the opposite side will be unfolded. So you have to do this for all 5. Now this is the next part is a little tricky, so just concentrate. So on the unfolded part, you just put some Fevicol just on the unfolded part. You take one, see, and you have to join all the 5 together. So you have to stick the lower fold to the upper one. See, like this. You have to stick the one in the bottom to the one in the top. The folded part in the bottom triangle to the unfolded one in the top one. Just make sure the two don't stick together. So you do it like this. Okay. Just so for all 5, you have to again the next one you add a little bit, just at the edges alone you add a little Fevicol. Slide this. Okay. And then fold. Stick the folded part of the lower triangle to the unfolded part of the upper triangle. So you do that for all 5. Just put it. So I have stuck all the 5 together. Now earlier you had that piece of paper which you cut, right? So you just take that paper. You just have to solder it a little bit. So take the paper, fold it a bit, put some Fevicol, okay, some Fevicol and see, one part you stick to the topmost one, see, to this. The other part you stick to the bottommost one. Fold the paper, put some Fevicol, one to the topmost and one to the bottommost one. You stick the paper in the center in the edge. Okay, one here and one here. So once you've stuck those papers, you take the scissors and just make a hole through the paper, only on the upper part alone. So just make a hole like this. Okay, just make a hole on this side and you make another hole on this side. Okay, so what you have to do is this paper, just fold it like this, just make a roll of it. The string I told you earlier, you take the string, roll it around the paper, okay, so you create a roll like this. You create a roll like this, see, you create one like this, you have to create two of them. Prepare two of them. Then the edge of the string, the hole which I told you earlier, you put it through that and bring it out through the other end. Okay, so you put the string through the hole and you bring it out. So, and take out the string fully, so that, see, it's like this. On both sides at the edges you have the once you put the string, see, once you brought the string out to both the ends, you just put your hand into each compartment, make sure they all open out well. Okay, just make sure they all open out well. And then these lights that I told you about, switch on the lights. 3 lights would be ideal. Switch on the lights and put one light in the middle 3. Leave the first compartment and put the lights in the middle 3 compartments. The second one, the third one and the fourth one. Okay, just push the lights like this and push the lights in a little bit. Okay, and then you bring the 2 strings together. Okay, bring the 2 strings together and just adjust a little bit. See, just adjust a little bit, so you get a 5-shaped star. See, this is what we do. So you just tie it once, just one knot. You just tie it once. See, you have it like this. Okay, so you can hang it anywhere. When it's seen in the dark, it really, in the night, if you put it up in your window or in your doorstep, it will really brighten up the place. So all of you, I hope I was able to explain this properly and I got you interested enough. So please do try this. It really comes out well, and it really gives a very festive air if you put it on your windows or if you put it on the door, So please do try this, and wishing all of you a very, very, very bright and happy new year. Bye.